Lady!
Where are we going?
I don't actually even know what it's called.
Barumba Dam.
Barumba Dam.
Just for a night. You excited?
Yeah? I want to go in the street.
We're attempting this vlog business on the new GoPro, so we don't have to carry the big camera around anymore. What do you think about that, Kim?
Good idea.
It's a good idea. We're going to see, I don't think the audio is going to cut it, to be honest with you, but we're going to check it out. We're going to film this whole one night trip on the GoPro, see how it goes tonight, in the morning, in the water, everything. Set up Barumba Dam. It's actually really nice here, but there is a lot of people. But I think out of holiday time, Barumba Dam could be a winner. Kim?
Yep.
Yep. Lauren? We're only here for a night, so perfect for us. That is so like, let's jump in.
What's
It's
in
refreshing.
No, Nick, I need to put this down. Two, one. Oh my f***ing god. Oh my god. Blanch some potatoes and then fry them up. Yum! And then what else do we have?
Chicken.
We have chicken and chicken.
More chicken.
We got a lot of chicken.
Morning. We are packing up early. Look.
What?
So we're packing up early. Kimmy wants a pie.
Don't blame it all on me. You
It was
agreed
your
straight
idea.
away. So you didn't have to cook or clean.
We're packing up early so I can go get a sausage roll from Amble. But it's a great place to stay here. We really loved it, didn't we?
Yeah, it's nice.
It's really good. We really enjoyed it. So we'll definitely be coming back. Anyway, let the pack up continue. Had a good sleep, Kimmy?
Because always have a good sleep.
How are these two going? What is that? Wheel off a tote or something. We're bailing on, I keep going to call this place Babinda, but it's called something else. Barumba. We're bailing on Barumba Dam. It's a really nice spot. There's just a lot of people here. So next time there'll be no one here and we'll have the joint to ourselves. Hey, Kimmy.
Yeah, hopefully.
Anyway, we're bailing early. Gonna go get ourselves a pie and sausage roll from Imbil Bakery.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers
Good.
crossed. What do you think, Kimmy? Just like that, we're home. Ow. Van made it. I don't know how good this camera's going to go with the wind. Well, that's it. We're going to see how good this little video turns out on the GoPro. It's not going to go for long. I feel like it's going to be like a 3 or 4 minute video. Hey, baby boy. Hey, buddy.